So now I would like to introduce you to William. So William is the director of sales of Proovstation, and a presentation has been made last year during our revenue management forum in Berlin. If you remember, there was talking about this very nice gate entry to check the cars. So now I would like to give the hand to William.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much, Emmanuel, for giving me the opportunity to come back and to present again Proovstation. The idea today is really to update you about where we are and what we have achieved during the past year and where we are in terms of development, product, sales as well, and basically to give you a big overview of Proovstation and the product. So just to, I'm sure you're all aware, and you're some of you are in the automotive industry, so you know that during all the automotive value chain, from the car manufacturer to logistic, a rental company, dealership, body shop, etc., you have inspection everywhere on the vehicle. On new vehicle, on used vehicle, on commercial vehicle, on any type of vehicle. So every red point you can see on the presentation, there is an inspection. Today it's made manually, and it's quite let's say old school, the current processes, because sometimes it's still paper-based. It's quite expensive. It's disputable. It's not really accurate because it's made manually. So this is really the idea, and this is really how we decided to create Proovstation. So as you saw, Proovstation is really both an hardware and a software solution combined in one Proovstation. So this is quite simple solution. So you just have to drive through the station. You can drive up to 15 km/h. So we do not stop any flow. It's really important to say that. You have all around the station, you have a lighting tunnel in order to have the same lights on the vehicle and also to avoid all light pollution around. You have, and we are using cameras to take pictures and to scan the entire body, the external body of the vehicle. We can also scan the undercarriage. And then we really developed, and this is our core business, we developed an AI able to identify, recognize, categorize all the damages on the vehicle. And then we developed a software in order to automatically estimate some repairs and also to access to some extra services, let's say. So the solution is really simple. In 3 seconds, we scan the vehicle and we do not stop the flow. So we can scan up to 85 vehicles per hour. So it's quite important. The idea really with Proovstation is to industrialize the vehicle inspection and also to standardize the vehicle inspection. Because today, as we saw at the beginning of the presentation, depending on who is doing the inspection, it's not the same way to do the inspection, and we won't have the same results. For example, if we all do the inspection of the same vehicle, we won't have the same results because some of us will miss some damages. So we scan the vehicle, only 3 seconds to scan the vehicle. Then we run the AI on all the damages. So we can see damages from 1 millimeter, and we only need around 50 seconds to analyze all the pictures. So in less than 1 minute, we have scanned the vehicle, we have identified all the damages, and then we create a report. The idea is really
William,
to create and to yes.
William, there is one question from
Yes.
the audience saying, how does it cope with the rain, the mud, and all the dirt you have around the car?
Okay, so really, thank you for the question. Really interesting. We are using and we are an AI, so we are training the AI to really recognize a drop of water from an insect, from a damage or mud. Of course, so we will really separate a damage from a drop of water, for example. So it's not a problem to scan a vehicle with some water or with rain on it. Of course, with mud, because we are using computer vision and cameras, we cannot see through the mud. So if there is something under the mud, we won't see it. So it's better in the process of the inspection to have a clean vehicle, or at least not to have too much mud or dirty thing on the vehicle. So I hope I answered to the question. So after the scan and the detection, we create a report. The idea is really to bring transparency and to become one standard and the European and maybe worldwide standard in terms of vehicle inspection. So we create a report that is timestamped, geolocated, blockchain secure, so anyone can falsify the report, and at the end, anyone can use the report. In the word use, it's not nobody, not everybody will see the reports, but you cannot falsify it because it's blockchain secure. And then we developed and we designed the management platform. So all the data coming from the scan and the station are going in this management platform. We can also push the data in thanks to with our API to your systems. The idea is then to provide some information, extra information, and to have extra services with the station, such as repair estimates, for example, or for you or for the rental company to do check-in, check-out. So to compare two reports and to analyze the differences in terms of damages and to create some alerts if there is new damages. The station will detect everything, every damages from 1 millimeter, but thanks to the management platform, our clients will define with their specification what do they want to see in the final reports, what do they want to how do they want to charge their own customer for the damages, etc. We do not charge anybody. They will do it. They will have all the data in their system or in our system, and they have the opportunity to charge someone for the damage. So
William,
basically,
we have another
yes.
question. The
Yes.
question from the audience is the report directly accepted by experts of insurance companies, or does it require any other expertise?
No, the idea is really to become one expert and as you have today a Decra, a SGS, a Macadam, a Unicar, for example. So tomorrow you will have Proovstation. And so the technology, the process, and the report will be accepted by the car manufacturer, by the logistic, by the rental company, and by the clients at the end.
Thank you.
So yeah, so if you need to remember 4 things about Proovstation, is that we will reduce the inspection time. For today, for a new car, it's 2-4 minutes, and then much more for a used car. We will reduce it to 3 seconds only. Today, for check-in, check-out, it's more than around 2 to 4, 5 minutes. So we reduce the inspection to 3 seconds. We will of course reduce the inspection cost, and we will talk about the pricing model after. We reduce all the conflicts around the inspection, because we bring one standard in terms of inspection, and it's completely transparent and objective. And then with the data collected with the station, we can generate new revenues. And most important also is that if you increase your activity, if you increase your revenue, today you increase your inspection prices, because if you increase the volume of inspection, you increase the price of this volume. Tomorrow with the Proovstation, because it's industrialized and the price is always the same per month, if you increase your volume of inspection, you do not increase the price of your budget for inspection, because this is just an overview of the pricing model and business model. So it's a leasing solution, a leasing contract of 48 months with a fixed price per month. So, and then unlimited access to the report and scan. So you can scan 10 or 3,000, 10,000, 1 million vehicle per month. You always pay the same price. This price includes the hardware, the software, the maintenance of the station, and then we develop a specific option. So as a software as a service option for really the use case of our clients. If it's a rental company, it's really to do check-in, check-out. If it's a remarketing company, they will need to price the vehicle, and then at the end to have commercial picture to directly upload the vehicle on the marketplace. So depending on the use case, we have and we provide options. This is basically everything. This is just for information, because we do what we call the feasibility integration study in order to really install the station at the right place, but also interface the station with all of your systems. So we analyze and we co-develop together the best processes with this new tool for inspection. So I just want to finish with this information. So where we are today in terms of development and production. So last year we were still in research and development with the product, but we already completed some beta tests with 2 clients, 1 car manufacturer and 1 dealership. Today we are finalizing the industrial solution, but we already sold and we already signed some contracts with one of the 2 and public contracts is one with BCA Group and the other one with GCA Group Charles-André. So 2 logistic companies, logistic and remarketing for BCA Group and logistic for GCA. So they will equip their sites in Europe, all around Europe, with a Proovstation. We won a lot of awards last year and this year. I hope we will continue to win and to win some awards. And so we are now in the final phase of our development, and we are planning to install the first industrial solution station between now and June, July. So the first delivery for other clients will be around September.
Merci, William. We have two questions. The first one is,
Yes.
are you already integrated with some car rental software? And the question is coming from a guy who is using a particular software called WeYield. Do you have any connection already with a
Not yet. What we are developing is an API that will be able to be interfaced with any type of software. So today, unfortunately, and I hope that if you want to work with us, I will be more than happy. But we do not have any pilots or any station with rental company yet. We are of course in discussion with all the main actors in this industry. But we do not have signed anything yet. But at the end of the year, we will of course have something with rental companies and be fully integrated with the systems.
Hopefully you will sign up, because we have about 30 person online right now, which are all from car rental companies. So that's what we do for you. We have another question, which is, do you need any human supervision, especially, for example, when the car is really dirty, or do you have somebody that is cleaning it with a kind of
I mean, it really depends on your process, because we really focus, and the Proovstation is only doing the external and, let's say, cosmetic inspection. So if you want to do, we do not do, for example, any mechanical inspection. We do not do we do not open the doors, and we cannot do for now the interior inspection automatically. We provide an app in order for the driver or someone to, like it's already done most of the time, to use an app to do the interior, and then the exterior is automated. Sorry, with the Proovstation. So yes, in the entire process, we are just a small part of the entire process of the inspection. But to do the inspection of the external body, you do not need anybody.
Okay. Thank you very much, William. It was really nice for your presence. You are based in Lyon, so you are on a remote. That's good. There is another.
Yes.
There is another question. Scan lasts around 3 to 5 seconds, but we can analyze only 85 cars per hour. This is what you said. Can we scan more cars during an hour, but wait for result a bit longer time? So the system can be quicker.
Today, to scan more vehicles than 85?
Yes, and also, and then
no,
the report can be later. No, it has to be a simultaneous.
I mean, technically it could be possible. 85, it's quite a lot per hour. It's quite a lot today. But if we increase the calculation processes, etc., maybe we can improve and reduce this 3 seconds. But 3 seconds.
Okay, thank you very much, William. Again for attends. And during peak time, because Mateusz from Poland is asking because he wants during peak time having a quicker process, I do believe. So that was his question behind. So you said that potentially yes, it can go faster technically, but then it has to be checked under the quality of the process then.